Hello, this is Stephen Foster with C.H. Murphy Clark-Ullman. Just wanted to let you know that all our videos are complying with all federal, state, and local COVID-19 regulations and recommendations. Thank you very much. Hello, this is Stephen Foster with C.H. Murphy Clark-Ullman. You just got done watching part one discussing our application of RMD Welding and the shop projects. In this part, we're going to talk to Brian O'Connor and talk about the RMD Welding applications in field projects. Hope you enjoy.
Yeah, well, we had two projects. The first one was really kind of a beta trial. The customer had never used an RMD process on their boiler, and we got the idea from RJ in our shop, and our field superintendents took the idea and ran with it. We're able to use some mock-ups and prove that it worked really well. We got together with some technological reps from the customer. They watched what we were doing, they approved of the process, they really liked what they saw. So we took it out into the field on the first recovery boiler in February, and we were able to increase our production significantly with just one welder per shift on that job. So a job that normally would take us about 14 shifts, we got done in about 9 shifts, which was awesome, which was great. The customer was very happy. So after that, what we ended up doing is we did another outage there in June on an identical recovery boiler, and we took in 4 RMD welders per shift, and we were able to get that down to basically we tripled our production rate from when we started before we weren't using an RMD process. So because we got done so fast, we had a window of time, and we were able to get about double the scope work done that the customer had initially carved out for us in the same period of time. So I mean, it was really it was a success. The customer was very happy. We were able to get a lot of work done in a much shorter amount of time. The quality of the work was very good. There was a lot less repair work. It was just all around a real success.
What was the work itself? What alloy were you working on, and what was the work itself?
Yeah, it's carbon steel membrane on a boiler, and in the past, historically, what we had done is use a flux core, a traditional flux core method to weld those pressure parts. In this case, what we did is on the roots, we used the RMD process, and then we capped it with the traditional flux core.
I see.
And so the RMD process, just with the roots, was able to, again, triple our production rate there, which was a testament to, our welders did a very good job, but the process itself, like I said, it's a lot fewer repairs. It's just a quality product, and it's a lot faster. We can lay down metal just a lot faster with that process. So again, just a real success story. And
how was the quality?
Fantastic. And again, that is part of the reason why it's faster. One, we can lay down metal faster, but 2, there's also less repair work with the traditional flux core method we were using before. There was always a lot of repair work. We'd have to go back in and grind out and repair, and there was just very little of that with the RMD process on those roots, and that also lent itself to our increased production rate.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, so after the project is over, the customer was very satisfied with how it turned out for him.
Oh yeah. They were very pleased. We were, like I said, on that second recovery boiler, we were able to, our scope work was 100 linear feet of peg fin and Equitherm, and we got done 226 feet in the time period that we used to only be able to do 100. So they got a lot of work done in that outage, and it cost less, and they're just very, very pleased with the work. And we did it safely. We had no reportable injuries as well, so it was a very successful couple of outages, and the RMD process was a big part of that work.
Excellent. Well, Brian, we really appreciate your time and you sharing that with us, and
Sure.
We'll talk to you again soon.
Great, thank you.